Welcome to 2025, a year of amazing space stuff. I'm here today going to talk about the top 5 things happening in space that you won't want to miss. From cool eclipses to shooting stars, 2025 is going to be a great year for looking up at the sky. Let's get started. First up, on August 12th, 2025, we have a total solar eclipse. This rare celestial event is when the moon passes directly between the Earth and the Sun, casting a shadow on our planet. Believe me, there's nothing like seeing the day turn into twilight as the moon covers the sun. The sky changes colours in a way that's almost magical, shifting from bright blue to deep twilight hues. It makes you realise how amazing the Earth, moon and sun are, and how they all move together in a cosmic dance. This alignment is a reminder of the intricate and precise nature of our solar system. Imagine this. You're outside on a bright sunny day. The warmth of the sun is on your skin, and everything seems normal. Slowly, the moon starts to cover the sun. At first, it's just a small bite taken out of the sun, but it gradually grows larger. The light around you gets weird, and it might even get a little colder. Shadows become sharper, and the temperature drops noticeably. Then everything goes dark. The moon completely blocks the sun, and for a few minutes, it's like nighttime. Stars and planets become visible in the sky, creating a surreal experience. It's really amazing, and people have been fascinated by eclipses for a long, long time. Ancient civilizations often saw them as omens or messages from the gods. Did you know that animals act strange during an eclipse? Birds might stop singing, thinking that night has fallen. Animals that are usually awake at night might come out, confused by the sudden darkness, and even your pets might act confused. They might look around, wondering why it's suddenly dark in the middle of the day. Remember, never look directly at the sun without special glasses. These glasses protect your eyes from the harmful rays that can cause serious damage. Safety first when looking at the sky. Always use proper eye protection to enjoy this incredible event safely. Right after the solar eclipse, we get another awesome space show, the Perseid meteor shower on August 12th and 13th. The Perseids are one of the best meteor showers, with lots of bright, fast shooting stars. These shooting stars are actually tiny pieces of dust left behind by a comet called Swift-Tuttle. When Earth flies through this dust cloud, the dust burns up in our atmosphere and makes bright streaks of light. Imagine this. It's a warm summer night, and you're lying on a blanket looking at the stars. Suddenly, you see a shooting star, then another, and another. During the Perseids, you might see up to 100 shooting stars every hour. It's like a dance party in the sky. I can't promise that wishing on a shooting star will make your wish come true, but it's fun to try. Chapter 3. Super Blood Moon, a Lunar Showstopper. Get ready, space fans, because September 7th, 2025 brings us something really special, a super blood moon. This celestial event is a rare and spectacular combination of a supermoon and a total lunar eclipse. This isn't just a normal full moon. It's a night where the moon will put on a show like no other. This is 3 cool things all at once. First, it's a supermoon. A supermoon occurs when the moon is at its closest point to Earth in its orbit, known as perigee. That's when the moon is closest to Earth, so it looks bigger and brighter than usual. It's like the moon is getting all dressed up for a grand event, shining more brilliantly than on any other night. It's like the moon is getting all dressed up. Imagine looking up and seeing a moon that appears up to 14% larger and 30% brighter than a typical full moon. Second, it's a total lunar eclipse, which is also called a blood moon. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth gets right between the sun and the moon. The Earth gets right between the sun and the moon, and Earth's shadow makes the moon look red. This happens because the only sunlight reaching the moon passes through Earth's atmosphere. It's like the moon is wearing a red cape. The red colour is due to Rayleigh scattering, the same effect that causes red sunsets. So imagine a giant, glowing red ball in the sky. This eerie, beautiful sight is something that has fascinated humans for centuries. It's an amazing sight, and in 2025, we get to see it. This event is a perfect opportunity for stargazers and photographers alike. The moon turns red during a lunar eclipse because of Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere filters out most of the blue light, leaving the red light to illuminate the moon. Sunlight goes through our atmosphere, and the red light bends and shines on the moon. This bending of light, known as refraction, creates the stunning red hue that makes the blood moon so captivating. So mark your calendars and prepare your telescopes. The super blood moon of 2025 is an event you won't want to miss. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just a casual sky watcher, this celestial showstopper promises to be a night to remember. Chapter 4: Venus-Jupiter Conjunction, a Celestial Summit. On November 2nd, 2025, two planets are going to meet up in the sky, Venus and Jupiter. This rare event, known as a conjunction, is a spectacular sight for stargazers and astronomy enthusiasts alike. It's a moment where the cosmos aligns in a way that captivates our imagination and reminds us of the vastness of our universe. A conjunction is when two planets look close together from Earth. This optical illusion happens because of the way the planets orbit the Sun. Even though they are millions of miles apart, their positions in their respective orbits make them appear almost side by side from our vantage point. Venus, our neighbor planet and the brightest thing in the night sky besides the moon, will be right next to Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. Venus, often called the evening star, shines with a brilliant white light, while Jupiter, with its massive size, glows with a golden white hue. These two planets will look so close that they'll almost touch. This close approach is a visual treat, making it seem as though the two celestial bodies are engaged in a cosmic dance. Imagine this. The sun sets and you see two bright lights in the sky. As the twilight fades, Venus and Jupiter become more prominent, their brightness piercing through the darkening sky. Venus, shining bright white, and Jupiter, shining golden white, will get closer and closer together. Their convergence is a slow, mesmerizing process that unfolds over the course of the evening. Even though they look close, Venus and Jupiter are still millions of miles apart. This perspective trick is a reminder of the vast distances in our solar system and the unique vantage point we have from Earth. It's just how they look from Earth. The alignment is a beautiful example of how our position in the solar system can create stunning visual phenomena. So, grab your binoculars or telescope and look to the west to see this cool event. Whether you're an experienced astronomer or a casual sky watcher, this conjunction is a must-see. It's a great chance to take a picture of the sky, capture this celestial summit, and share the wonder of the universe with others. This rare event is not just a visual delight, but also a reminder of the intricate dance of the planets in our solar system. Chapter 5: Geminid Meteor Shower, a Holiday Light Show. At the end of the year, around Christmas time, we get another meteor shower, the Geminids, on December 13th and 14th. It's like a final celebration in the sky for a year full of amazing space stuff. The Geminids have bright, colourful shooting stars. Most meteor showers come from comets, but the Geminids come from an asteroid called 3200 Phaethon. This space rock leaves a trail of dust, and when Earth goes through it, we see shooting stars. Imagine this. It's a cold December night, and you're looking at the stars while drinking hot chocolate. Suddenly, you see a bright shooting star, then another and another. You might see up to 120 shooting stars every hour during the Geminids. They can be different colors too. That's because the dust from this asteroid has metals in it that burn with bright colors. And that's it. 5 amazing space events to watch for in 2025. From eclipses to meteor showers, there's a lot to see in the sky. Until next time, keep looking up.